What's up, everybody? Okay, so I went to the farmer's market over the weekend. I got some new stuff. Check these out. Got a little broccoli plant. I like broccoli so much, I got 2 broccoli plants. 1, 2. Guess how much they were? $1.50. $1.50 for these plants. Up next is strawberries. So now we have a second strawberry plant. We got a big one in the corner, and then we got another little one. So we're going to get as much strawberries as we can. So now we have 2 strawberry plants. Who don't like strawberries? Up next is romaine lettuce. Now, you know I've been growing romaine from the head, but now I went on and bought this, and I'm going to see how this does. So now we got a romaine lettuce plant. That looks good, too. All right. And we got one more to show you. Last but certainly not least is collards. Who don't like collards? So all these were $1.50 each, except for the strawberry plant. Got that from Walmart, of all places. That was $5.99. So yes, we can grow our own food, people. We just got to know where to look and at least give it a try. So I'm going to add that to my garden. But yes, start growing your own food, people. You'll be glad you did.